there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a castle tower. So here you can see that I'm using my black marker to draw the castle tower. I'm starting with its base. Now here's a curved line. I will use my black pen. I will draw some tiny lines. I'm using a little thicker black pen. Let's connect them. It's a tricky job. Okay, I'm done. Now I will be drawing the door of the tower. Let's give it a bricks effect. Now it's looking like a wooden door. Let's draw a window. Let's draw some more bricks. Wow! My drawing is done. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using brown pen. I'm using my black pen again. I'm using a yellow-orange pencil. Again using my brown pen. Uh-oh, I have to change the pen. I'm using my brown pencil. I'm using my brown pen again. I'm using a pale orange colored pencil. For the rest, I'm using an orange colored pencil. I'm using my pencil to draw a shadow. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.